Hey, what is up guys? iOS Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about third-party widgets on the home screen for iOS 14. Now, of course, iOS 14 is still in beta, so developers are now updating their applications to support this new widget system built into iOS 14 that allows you to install widgets directly on the home screen. Now in this video, I have a handful of widgets that are currently available or apps that are currently supporting this new widget system. You can try, links will be of course in the description. I wanted to share with you guys how this will be implemented, and once Apple releases iOS 14 in the near future, how developers will implement this into iOS 14 and how you can install and set these up on your device. Now of course, since this is a beta process, iOS 14 is still in beta as of the filming of this video, these applications are only available to be installed using a TestFlight application. Now this app comes directly from Apple, and this app allows you to install apps that are currently in testing, and these handful of applications that I have here are the ones that I have at the home screen widgets that you see here. And of course, as I mentioned, links will be down below so you can try them out. Now this one here allows me to track any packages that I may have coming my way. This one here is called Unwind. This one allows you to set any sound in a timer to go to bed and unwind. This one here, Streaks, allows you to keep track of certain tasks throughout the day, maybe walk the dog, wash your hands, take your vitamins, etc. And this one here allows you to see some of the latest tweets available on your Twitter account. So how do you install these third-party widgets for iOS 14? Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is go into edit mode and click on edit home screen. Once you download an application or install an application that has a compatible widget for iOS 14, you'll find the widget as a preview, or you will find it in the widget list down below. As you see here, we have the Apple widgets as well as the third-party widgets alongside the Apple widgets for iOS 14, but only if the application supports iOS 14 widget will you see it on this list here. And as I mentioned, iOS 14, of course, as of the filming of this video, is in beta, so these apps are sort of in beta as well. Now you can also install Apple widgets directly on the home screen if you didn't know, and you can add third-party widgets like iOS 13 style widgets as well to the widget panel of iOS 14 as well. But it's very simple, and again, links will be down below to install these third-party widgets. All you have to do is just add them like you would with any other widget. So let me click edit home screen here, click on add, and you see I can add this one here. Simple as that. You can choose the color, you can choose the background, choose the style, and it'll go directly on your home screen just like so, just like you would with any other third-party widget or any other widget on the home screen of iPhone with iOS 14 support. And there you guys have it. I just wanted to share how to install third-party widgets right now to try out on the home screen of iPhone for iOS 14 and how this method will be working in the near future. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.